Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today is the turn of the Zontes 125 150cc U model, and it's removing the fuel tank, how to do it in English instruction. I will post a video tomorrow with the valve check clearance, how to do the fuel tank and the valve check clearance tomorrow. But this is just after taking the fuel tank off if you ever have to do it. Nice and simple job, you just got to follow the instructions. Over 1,700 videos now in the playlist, categorized into different models, so you can find your model and see what you need to do to your bike. This is Mad Mick. I'm going to sign off now and let you watch the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.